Hello, this is Alexis, and in this video I want to discuss one typical case that we see when our clients are importing their strategies to BSC Designer. And here we have a simplified Excel spreadsheet, perspectives, goals, and the goals are marked with this ID. In this case it's F1, F2, F3, and for customer perspective there is C1, C2, C3. What these IDs work for? They help to identify the objectives. Probably it's a legacy of managing objectives in Excel spreadsheets. But on the other hand, they might be useful even if the strategy is automated in the software. And let's see how to import them correctly to our platform. The way that most users do it is simply put this ID into the name of this goal and import it into the software this way. So once you do it, you will have an objective like this, with this F1 placed in the very beginning. It's one of the options, probably not the most elegant one, because sometimes you don't want to see this ID, you want to see just the name of the goal. So another option, if you have this ID defined in a separate column, or you can define it in a separate column, is to import separately the ID and the goal. To do this, we would need to have some preparation. In this case, I have added a custom field. It is available in Settings, Workflow tab, Custom Fields. And I have used this Add button to add this custom field called ID. And it's configured to be applicable to all items in my scorecard. So that's the preparation I had to do. And now we can just import this. I will copy paste, then tools, import data. I will just copy paste, so text option, paste in. I see that the perspective is okay, it was recognized, the ID is okay. It was associated with this custom field that I have added, and the goal is fine. So I finalize the import. And now if I pick any of these objectives, I will see that this ID was recorded here in the custom field property. Probably it's not the best way to visualize it, because sometimes I want to see it right here on my screen. And if that's the case, I can modify my profile and my display profile, and I will simply add an ID here. So right now it will be displayed next to this objective. In the same way, if I need to have ID next to my objective, I can modify report profiles and add this custom field there as well. So that's one of the small examples how you can manage this this question related to this ID or the objective. The old-fashioned just add it to the name of the objective and import it as it. Or if you have this format, you can import separately and use custom fields to write down your ID here.